Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, May 20th. Greetings from Rimini, Italy. In the Nasdaq market, I was looking for follow through to the upside. Unchanged to higher was the call. We basically had a market that did make new highs, but basically stayed unchanged. And we also see some selling coming into this market. That implies for the Nasdaq market we could back off. Here's our benchmark candle. We'll keep close watch on that over the next few days, but my bias is still for a move back to the upside. And when it comes to the dollar, it continues stronger, as we can see here in the euro. As this market breaks to lower prices, I'm looking for follow through to the downside, but today we're looking for a rest day in that market. But when it comes to interest rate markets, I like it. It backed off. It's the right kind of behavior. It supports the stock market, and I'm looking for that to continue. It's at critical levels for that market. But gold also backed off. The stronger dollar takes away some of the reasoning behind a stronger gold market. But what we do have here is we have a market that traded below its bearish level, and the difference between this bullish and bearish level in that market is $2,300 per contract. And again, it's just a reference to give you an idea of the dollar value of that magnitude of change. Now in silver, we also traded below that bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $4,300 per contract. And again, just a reference for you. But let's move on though, and let's take a look at what's happening with the energy market. And that backed off also with that stronger dollar. I like this. I think it's logical. It's at critical levels, but we got to close below 59, and I am looking for further movement to the downside, but not a dramatic move. Natural gas traded below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $43 per contract. I'm looking for this to back off more, but not a dramatic move to the downside. In the grains, well, we can see soybeans did make some lower levels. They're pushed to lower levels, I should say. I don't look for strong follow through here. We got to be sensitive. On the short side, we could have an equal and opposite, which would take us back to the upside. Right now, I'm looking for an unchanged type market. That concludes. Oh, I should also tell you about wheat. Wheat did trade below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $1,400 per contract. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.